Good morning. So I am cooking a good appetizer for my breakfast, right? So I'll be steaming or sauteing, right, with freshly caught hamaguri clams. Okay, so I've already put some organic garlic, okay, and some organic olive oil. Okay, so I go ahead, put this one, yeah. Okay, so yeah, hold on, maybe it's not enough. Maybe I can put some more. Okay, so yeah, there we go. It takes maybe less than 5 minutes to cook them. Yeah. So yeah. All right. Yeah. You can brown it. I mean, it's up to you. Okay. So yeah. Darn good. So all right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, clams. Alright. Then it's gonna be happy with a few minutes. And I'm gonna put some handcrafted wasabi and horseradish infused alcohol. Okay, so because I just ran out of sake, so that's what I've been using. So, yeah, should be good. Yeah. So, unlike any other widely caught clam, good. It's smaller than cherry stone, much smaller. In Japanese, it's called hamaguri, one of the most expensive clams you can buy in Japan. I'm sure in other Asian countries as well. Yeah. It's smaller than Manila clams, but it's good. Oh, you know what? You see the vapor is going, right? So, yeah, you know what? I'm going to set a time for roughly 5 minutes. Should be ready within 4 minutes. Yeah. So, simple. So, prior to this, I have done a purging process, right? So filter with, fill with filtered water, okay, from East Spring system, organic apple cider vinegar, just one tiny teaspoon, and then salt, right? And then baking soda. I have soaked the freshly caught live clams for 48 hours. So you see the nasty, stuff going to be released. Then, now I'm cooking. Whoa, you see that? Not smoke, but the thing's coming up beautifully. Yeah. All right. You have to shake it once in a while, otherwise clams won't be open. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's partially open. Some of them start opening, so pop that open. So let it, should be done in 2 minutes in this fashion. Yeah. And on the other hand, you don't need to add salt because clam itself has so many salty contents into it, so you don't need them. Yeah. If you insist, you may add it, but my advice, you don't need to do that. Yeah. Wow. See the vapor, the steaming stuff is coming right up. Yeah. You see the clicking sound? Yeah. All right. Now this one is made by Amway, the Queen Cookware. It's called iCook in North American market or some markets, right? So it heats up fast thanks to the stainless steel technologies. on top of that, it's very thicker one, and then this acts like a gas and the labyrinth, similar to the labyrinth seal of the jet engine, in which is similar to the aircraft engine technologies, right? So it helps to make a gasket by, the moist, and it makes difficult to escape the heat easily. Yeah. See, open that. Voila. Oh la la! Look at that, baby. Here. You see that? So wonderful. Okay, you know what? It's ready to be served. So, put this one into this one, yeah? So, ooh. You don't want to waste this stuff. The garlicky. Alright? The essence. Yeah. Okay, there we have it. Steamed clams. Steamed hamaguri clams. So, why don't I eat this while it's super hot? Why don't I do the big one, huh? Ouch, 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 ouch. The pain is a beautiful thing. All right. Cheers to our great health. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. You see the juice? Mmm. Mmm, delicious. I encourage everybody to go out clamming, but make sure, don't forget to do the purging process. Otherwise, you end up eating some, nasty sands and other dirty stuffs, right? So you have to, because clams are filter feeder, so you have to purge it, right? Okay. You know what? Let's do another one here. Let's do this tiny, this one. Oh, it's empty. It must be somewhere. Yeah. 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 Okay then. It's burning hot. Mmm. Delicious. So yummy. Unbelievable. All right, gentlemen, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my breakfast meal. Okay, steamed clam for breakfast. So, all right, take care, and those of you enjoy, please press the thumbs up and ring the bell. Bang bang, right? Okay, I do apologize eating you from front of you like this because the chef's privilege. Okay, so you take care. All. God bless you. Ciao.